Hey there everyone, today for unboxing I have a RadioShack 12-382. This one is going to be one that I repair and resell to somebody else. I'm not sure exactly who yet. I have a couple of people who mentioned they may or may not be interested in it, so I just figured when I saw it pop up for sale that I should get it because it was much less expensive, like less than half the price of the other one that sold recently, which sold for $85. This is just a first header radio from RadioShack that probably has a dead tuner, so I don't know why they would be worth that much, and that's why I did not pay that much for this one. Alright, so there's no AC adapter in here. Oddly, the battery cover is taped in place. It doesn't look broken, but let's see about that. I don't think this tape's been here for very long. There's no sticky residue, thank goodness. Alright, so there's the battery here. And looks like it may actually have a charge still because it's only connected to one of the terminals. This may be a battery that the seller put in. It's a RadioVac 9-volt battery. Let's see if it does have a charge. Can't get it to go on there. Here we go. It does. Awesome, so I can go ahead and test this without the power adapter. And I'll just make sure this battery cover goes on properly. Which it does. Okay. Alright, so there's the clock. Let's see if it has a dead tuner. Yep, it does. It's very, very quiet and distorted. This was made in September of 2008. That's peak tuner failure time. Oh, these buttons are kind of chewed up. That's unfortunate. Let's listen to the siren. Okay, there's actually, I think, something else wrong with this. It sounds like the speaker is starting to go bad.
Wednesday through Monday, especially during the afternoon and evening hours. A few storms become strong showers with thunder.
Yeah, the tuner is definitely bad too. It's not even flashing the lights for signal loss. Alright, so at some point I will get started with replacing the tuner and see what kind of fix that provides for the audio as a whole. The backlight's turned off. Let's set that to auto. Now it's glowing, so that's nice. Set alerts, actually I can take care of that later. Location, and it is set to multiple. There are a couple in here, and they all start with 005. I really gotta learn what all of these state codes go to. I keep forgetting to do that. Signal loss reminder looks like it's turned on, so let's get that turned off. And alert reminder is off. Alert mode is voice, that's good. Alright. So that's about it for this radio. Yeah, I'm thinking it has a partially spoiled speaker, but mainly it's the tuner that's going bad. So I will go ahead and repair that and see if I can at least clean up these buttons. They're both kind of chewed up and they've got some kind of residue on there. And of course I can get a spare power adapter for this. And then we'll go from there. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.